Have you ever pondered the boundless potential that a new day possesses? As the sun ascends from its slumber, painting the canvas of the sky with hues of dawn, it carries a promise of a fresh start, a new beginning, a chance to redefine your destiny. Each morning, as the world awakens, it brings forth opportunities to embrace, challenges to conquer, and blessings to count. Every sunrise offers a chance to choose joy over sorrow, love over discord, and hope over despair. It gives you a blank page on which you can script your own story with the ink of your dreams and aspirations. The day that unfolds before you is a gift, a divine creation. As the ancient wisdom of Psalm 118:24 imparts, "This is the day that the Lord has made. Let us rejoice and be glad in it." It's an invitation, a call to rejoice in the blessings, big and small, that today holds for you. Consider the people who bring joy to your life, the opportunities that foster your growth, and the simple pleasures that sprinkle your day with happiness. These are your blessings. They are the golden threads that weave the tapestry of your life, adding warmth, beauty, and meaning to your existence. As you navigate through the day, approach your tasks with a spirit of joy and confidence. You are not alone. You are supported. You are loved. The universe conspires to help you realize your dreams, to become the best version of yourself. So, as you embark on the journey of today, remember to cherish each moment, to count your blessings, and to embrace the endless possibilities that the day presents. After all, every day is a stepping stone on your path to realizing your potential. Before we part ways, remember to hit that like button if this message resonated with you. Share it with your loved ones to spread the positivity, and don't forget to subscribe for more uplifting content. Together, we can make every day a celebration of life.